Welcome, here I've got Blackview A80 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. And now let's focus on the first position here, the picture size. Here we can manage the quality of the picture connected with aspect ratio. So now let's focus on aspect ratio. We have 4 and 3. Let's pick 1 and 1 now. And when we go back to the camera, we can see that the background has changed to the square one. So this is how it works here. Another tap to the left corner to the picture size. And we can also pick 18:9 aspect ratio, and in the camera preview we can see that this is the full one. And also when we go back again to the left corner to the picture size, we can pick also 16:9. In the camera preview it looks like that. And once again left corner picture size, and we can easily go back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.